welcome back to the channel. It's not usual Land Rover or Mini related. We're onto my 3 Series. So it has popped up on the dash that it needed a brake fluid change. So the fluid has now been changed, but I need to reset the warning on the dashboard. So it's not, you don't need a diagnostic tool for this. So I had to Google it and find out how to do it. So I thought I'd just make a quick video as a little how-to guide to hopefully help somebody else. So with the door closed, ignition, turn the ignition on, but don't start the car. So you can see it's come up service, which is not actually a service as such. It is the brake fluid change. So if you get any warnings on the dash, you need to get rid of those, which you can use the BC button here to clear them. I haven't got any. So things such as fuel level, washer fluid level, that sort of thing. So you need to clear all those, and then press and hold this button here. There, so it's saying reset possible for brake fluid. There's a reset possible for, I think, rear brake pads. That's oil change. I think that's front brake pads. Inspection. Right, and now we're back to the brake fluid. So if you press and hold that again, it's asked whether you want to perform the retest. Press and hold it again. Reset in progress. Reset successful. So now if we turn the ignition off, so if we turn the ignition back on again, it's now just coming up, look, it's not in red anymore, it's just coming up service, 3,200 miles, which is the rear brake pads. Vehicle status, here we go. Service requirements. So brake fluid is now saying okay, whereas that was in red. So I should have shown that to you. So here you can see the next one that is due is the rear brake pads need changing at 3,200 miles. So I'll get that sorted. So you can see what that service requirement is, because that's saying 14,000 miles. So hopefully that helps somebody with resetting any of the service requirements on their BMW. So thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe for any more things that I find that might be interesting.